Wolfcraft Vario 3D measuring and marking angle is a game changer for anyone working on complex angles and surfaces. With its adjustable arms and rotating wings, it allows you to mark 3D objects, corners, and profiles with incredible ease. Whether you're working on pipes, corners, or awkward edges, it adapts beautifully to your material. The measurements are laser-etched for lasting readability. It's ideal for both marking and transferring angles. Built from durable plastic and metal, it's lightweight yet strong. This is a must-have for carpenters and woodworkers who demand accuracy. It replaces multiple tools in one smart design. Compact, clever, and impressively functional in any workshop. The Goingmake Adjustable Angle Track Saw Square brings unmatched precision to your cutting station. Designed to lock securely onto your track saw, it adjusts smoothly from 0 to 70 degrees. Whether you're cutting plywood or creating accurate miters, this square ensures straight, perfect lines. The thick aluminum alloy body adds a premium feel. It's both rugged and surprisingly lightweight. Laser-engraved markings make angle setup fast and reliable. Rubber grips on the back hold it steady while working. A perfect companion for precision carpentry tasks. Every angled cut becomes easier and more consistent. The ALLWAY HSN Handy Saw Nest is your multi-blade solution for tight spots and quick cuts. It includes 5 interchangeable blades neatly stored within a compact, ergonomic handle. You can slice through drywall, plastic, wood, and more with just a flick of the wrist. No tools required to switch blades, just pull, slide, and go. The soft grip adds comfort during long use. Designed for convenience, it's like having 5 tools in one. A perfect fit in any toolbox or apron pocket. It's compact, versatile, and always ready to work. Quick fixes just got way more efficient. The Metabo LF850S Paint Remover tears through layers of paint and adhesive without breaking a sweat. It uses 3 sharp blades to strip coatings from wood, metal, or concrete with industrial-level power. Unlike traditional sanders, it removes material cleanly without clogging. The ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue during long sessions. Adjustable cutting depth puts you in total control. Perfect for restoration, renovation, or prepping reclaimed wood. With 850 watts of motor power, it handles even the toughest coatings. Dust extraction ports keep your workspace cleaner. It's built tough for real, demanding jobs. The Wolfcraft Multi-Wood Joiner for Angle Grinders turns your grinder into a powerful biscuit joiner. This clever attachment cuts accurate biscuit slots into boards with minimal setup. The depth adjustment makes sure each cut is consistent. Perfect for panels, tabletops, or edge joining. It fits most angle grinders and transforms them into precision tools. You get clean, centered slots every time. The compact body makes it easy to maneuver in tight spots. A brilliant upgrade that saves space and money. Professional joinery just got way more accessible. The Co-Matic PD80 Edgeband Trimmer delivers flawless edge trimming with every pass. It cuts both top and bottom edges in one go, giving a smooth, finished look to panels and boards. Ideal for melamine, laminate, and PVC edge bands. The dual blades are sharp and efficient, leaving no rough edges. It's easy to control, even on longer runs. The lightweight body is built for comfort and balance. It's a favorite for cabinetry and furniture making. No more cleanup after trimming, just clean, professional edges. This tool brings speed and quality together in one neat package. The UJK Large Rebate Cutter gives you the edge in precision routing. Designed for use with a router, it helps create clean, consistent rebates for panels, door frames, and more. The large collar ensures safe, steady cuts. It's fully adjustable for depth and width, giving you total control. Machined from solid aluminum, it's built to last. Ideal for professionals or hobbyists looking for perfect finishes. The wide base adds excellent stability. It's incredibly efficient on MDF, plywood, or hardwood. A must-have for high-quality joinery projects. The Pony Jorgensen Press. Screws bring timeless clamping power into your modern workshop. These classic screw mechanisms let you build your own custom clamps or presses. The heavy-duty steel threads provide smooth, strong pressure. The wood handles are large and comfortable for torque control, ideal for gluing up panels or pressing veneers. You can mount them to any base for a DIY clamping station. They're perfect for custom jigs and fixtures. Built to endure years of use without failing. Precision meets tradition in every twist. The Kreg KDRV-FLIP. Quick Flip is a 2-in-1 time saver for drilling and driving. It features a double-ended design that flips between a pilot drill and a driver bit in seconds. Great for pocket holes and assembly tasks. The magnetic quick connect keeps bits secure during use. It's compact enough to keep in your pocket, yet powerful enough for repeated tasks. This tool eliminates the hassle of switching bits constantly. Built for speed and convenience, especially during repetitive jobs. Durable and cleverly designed for quick transitions. A small tool that delivers big efficiency. The Milescraft 3404 PushStick offers safety and control at the table saw, router, or jointer. Its non-slip base keeps your hands safe while guiding material firmly across the blade. The ergonomic grip feels secure and reduces hand fatigue. The notched end gives strong leverage for narrow cuts. It's lightweight and easy to hang with its built-in magnet. Excellent for both professionals and hobbyists working with sheet goods. Keeps your workspace safe without sacrificing precision. Designed for comfort, durability, and reliability. A vital safety companion in any woodshop. The FastenMaster deck frame. Coating protects your deck investment from the ground up. It creates a rubberized barrier over framing lumber to block moisture and decay. Simply brush it on before installing your deck boards. It dries fast and seals tight, extending the lifespan of treated wood. Ideal for joists, beams, and ledger boards. The black finish blends seamlessly with framing. It's a simple step that delivers long-term protection. Reduce maintenance, prevent rot, and build smarter. Your deck deserves this level of care from day one. The Rockler branding iron alignment jig helps you mark your creations with perfect precision. It centers your branding iron and keeps it steady for clean, repeatable results. Designed for both electric and torch-heated irons. Adjustable stops ensure consistent placement every time. Made from durable materials with a solid build. A professional finishing touch for your custom projects. Whether you're marking gifts or products, it's a game changer. Create your own maker's mark with total accuracy. It's how craftsmen sign their work with pride. The Bosch Progressor. Hole saw is built for speed and strength in wood and metal. Its progressive tooth pattern cuts faster and cleaner than traditional hole saws. The bimetal construction improves longevity and reduces wobble. Compatible with standard and quick-change arbors. Great for door hardware, pipe installations, or electrical boxes. It powers through hardwood and sheet metal without hesitation. The result? Clean, perfect holes every time. A dependable tool that works as hard as you do. Bosch quality you can feel in every cut. The Milescraft 4-2-12 SquareClampKit is your go-to solution for assembling boxes and frames. These clamps hold your corners at a perfect 90 degrees while you glue or screw. Great for cabinets, drawers, and shadow boxes. The sturdy plastic body won't mar surfaces. Easy to adjust for different thicknesses. Lightweight, compact, and simple to use. Helps you work faster and more accurately. Say goodbye to wobbly angles and misaligned joints. It's like having an extra set of steady hands. The Infinity Tools. Adjustable drill depth stops. Give you pinpoint accuracy for every drill job. Slide them onto your bit, lock the screw, and drill to the perfect depth without guesswork. The soft rubber base protects your material from scuffs. Great for shelf pins, dowels, and countersunk screws. Fits standard twist bits and brad point drills. Simple and durable design that delivers consistent results. It's one of those tools you'll use on nearly every project. Precision, repeatability, and total control in one tiny package. The BESSEY One-handed. EasyR clamp combines fast clamping with serious holding power. Designed for use with track saw guides and workbenches, it secures materials tightly with just one hand. The ergonomic grip offers comfort and speed. You can apply pressure vertically or horizontally. Durable construction means it holds up to daily workshop abuse. Perfect for gluing, routing, or assembly work. The sliding arm adjusts quickly for various sizes. Keeps your hands free and your work rock solid. The trend. 35mm concealed cabinet hinge. Jig takes the guesswork out of hinge cup drilling. Designed for standard European hinges, it guides your drill bit to the exact depth and placement. Clamp it in place and let the guide do the rest. Made from high-quality materials for precision and repeatability. Works with any handheld drill. Perfect for kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, and furniture doors. You'll get clean, professional results every time. It's the shortcut to expert cabinetry installs. The Hettich 35mm Euro hinge drilling jig gives you flawless results when mounting concealed hinges. It comes with a 35mm bit and depth stops, so you can drill clean, accurate holes with ease. It aligns perfectly and prevents over-drilling or offset placement. Built for DIYers and pros alike. Ideal for new installations or hinge replacements. No complex measuring or templates required. Saves time and delivers consistency on every cabinet. It's a smart tool that guarantees precision. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.